Let's start with our existing policy. We'll create a new rule and add it to a rule set. For this example, I'll add a criteria called URL. Notice how the rule is marked invalid, indicated by the orange indicator on the left. Once we update the rule with valid criteria, the badge disappears and the rule becomes valid. Now let's add more criteria. Here's where nesting and operator precedence come into play. We currently have 4 criteria connected by 3 operators. Nesting lets us control the order in which expressions are evaluated. Nest in increases precedence, giving the condition more weight. Nest out decreases precedence, pushing it lower in the evaluation order. Watch what happens when I click on an operator. The AND changes to OR and visually shifts to the right, 1 level below. A dotted line appears, showing the nesting level and how many criteria share the same level. This visual guide is especially helpful when working with 5, 10, or even more criteria, making complex expressions easy to understand. Behind the scenes, the nesting we applied in the UI is reflected directly in the policy code. Let's review the changes. The system shows the original expression alongside the updated one, so you can clearly see how the nesting has altered the logic. As I switch operators and adjust nesting, the expression updates instantly below. For example, moving an OR completely outside to level 0 automatically shifts related conditions inside. Switching everything to ORS creates a unified expression. This live synchronization ensures accuracy between the UI and backend. Once satisfied, you can publish the policy. The review screen confirms the changes, showing exactly how the logic has evolved. Publishing locks in the updated rule set. Finally, I can expand all rules to see the full detail or collapse them again for a cleaner overview. Scrolling through collapsed rule sets gives a compact view of the entire policy structure.